What's up YouTube, this is new tutorial on DEKO channel. Before we start, don't forget to check the description. I will let this beat in description, okay? If you want to get this beat, you can get it, okay, on my BeatStars account. So yeah, before we start, if you want to work with me, I will let my account's in description. Let me show you this video. This video, I did a Kanye West type beat, Kanye West and J. Cole type beat. So yeah, let's listen before I explain anything. Let's do it. So yeah, this is the beat. First thing I did, I made a loop kit. This is like 1 year ago. I made this loop kit. There's a good loops in it and some samples in Kanye West. I bought it on the mixer right here. Then I did some equalizer in it, automation like this. When the drum comes, I will turn on this. This shape. Then yeah, the drums going crazy with it. But I did no mix right here on the drums because the drums is really good without anything. The materials is okay. So I just controlled the level of the 808 and snare and the kick and everything. Then yeah, then I put it like that. This hi-hat, some snare. So that's it. Don't forget to click on subscribe and the like and share this video anywhere. I'm DEKO from DEKO channel. Peace.